Hey everyone, Kunal here. I'm the product manager at TEX, and in this video, I'm just going to walk you through as a student what things you can do on the TEX platform. So, if you are part of the STEM Connector program, you can log in and you will see a screen similar to this one. The best thing to do is go here and start sharing about you. Make a post where you share about your journey and what kind of mentoring you are looking for. Just like this student has done here, they have mentioned a few things about themselves and then how they can actually make the most out of this platform. The next thing that you can do is go and find the right experts. So just here, you can find the experts tab. And this is the recommended experts that we feel might be relevant to you. So you can actually go check out their profile. If you click on their profile, it opens up, look through their experience, what they can offer, and you can simply start a chat with them. Click here and it will take you to the chat window. Send a polite message saying, I would like to learn from your experience, and that should be it. The next thing that you can do on the platform is coming back to the requests. So for example, this is the place where you can tell the audience what kind of support you're looking for. You can click on add request and then you can say, I'm someone who needs help with, let's say, design, and I'm looking for an internship. Select all the categories that apply here and save. This will allow you to present what other people can help you with. And that's the best place where they can search you and start a conversation with you. I hope this was helpful. Please start using the platform and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.